All right, this next car coming up, stock bottom end GT40, homemade turbo kit. He bought these pistons from me about 3 years ago, 2 years ago, something like that. But this is where, I mean, this is where it's at right here. Put it in its own roller. Stock bottom end GT40 motor. Perfect. I wanted to show you guys this car for a couple of weeks now. He makes a good pass. I'm gonna put it right up. This might be the Easter egg of Wednesday, but it'll also be in the video maybe. Like I said, he built this motor himself, stock bottom end GT40. Bye-bye. 1030 at 135. That car was moving. Nice little coupe.